Hello everyone. Um, I'll be explaining market structure. So market structure is movement of the market, and we have two market structure, which is the external market structure and internal market structure. So what are the external market structure? External market structures are the high highs or the high lows. This is an external market structure, and this is the external low of the market structure. This is another external high, and this is an external low. So what are the internal market structure? So the internal market structure are the ones that happened inside this zone before breaking this high, this external one. So the internal happened inside this zone. The external market structure is being created inside this zone before breaking the high, the external high structure. Let me show you example of them in the chart. Now we have this high, and we have this low, and we have this high, and we have another low. Now the things that happened inside these zones inside here is the internal structures. I don't know if you guys are getting me. So the things that happen inside this zone is the internal structures. If you go on 4 hours or 3 hours, let me open 2 hours. If you go on 2 hours, you can see those lines that I marked out. You can see the lines that I marked out, and you can see structures inside here, the high highs and the high lows inside here. So all these ones inside here is the internal structures, while the externals are this high and this high low. So when this high low, this high is being taken out, then market tends to create another external structure again, which is what happened here. After breaking this high, market created another zone, which is the high, and this is another high low. This is the external structures. So this is external structures, and this is the internal structures. Internal structures happen inside the external ones. Okay, good. This is just simple. If you go on 4 hours, you can see this, let me go on the TF, you can see the structures clearly. This is the high low and this is the high, which is the external structure and the external distance, external external low. So the things that happen inside there is the internal structure. Okay. In our previous record I sent you guys, I didn't actually explain about um change of character. Now, change of character, we have two types of change of character. We have minor change of character and we have major change of character. So, minor change of character always happen inside the internal structures also. The minor change of characters. And the minor change of characters, you need to avoid them because minor change of characters always induces traders. You getting me? So that's why it's good to know about doing a top-down analysis. Because when you do a top-down analysis, you know the complete trends of the market and how to follow them. Now, let's say we have this, we have this, we have this high. This is the external high, and we have this external low. So this is an option market, and you have this high here and this low. So this is the external structures that I marked out. So unfortunately, when market comes back now and sweep this low, this is a major change of character, a major market structure shift. But inside here now, inside these external structures, can show you many change of characters, which is actually dangerous. Let me show you. Here now, you can see the market keeps going down, 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 and down. But here now we have something like a change of character during this week to sweep out this zone. But market failed to hold from this other block, still go down again. So we call this the minor change of characters. The change of characters that happened inside these zones are minor change of characters. And you can see another one here. All this, you can see that market wanted to hold from this zone but failed to hold. So all this change of character that happened inside this zone are minor change of characters. If you watch closely, you have this shift from this zone, you have this shift from this zone. The market failed to hold from the other block but still go up. So all this is minor change of character which you need to avoid. And here again, market was going uptrend, forming a distinct high highs and high lows. Another have another low here, and we have another low here, and we have another low here. When market shifted the structure, broke this low, showing a change of character. Yes, it's a change of character, but it's a minor change of character, but fell to from the other block. So you need to avoid these types of change of character. You need to avoid this type of change of character. So mainly I focus on the major change of character and all that. But when doing analysis, always follow the trend of the market. Always follow the trends of the market. Now, I'll show you how I do my top-down analysis. How I do my top-down analysis, but not today record. It's in this record. Next time I'll show you. I do my top-down analysis and all that. But now I'm trying to explain the external structure and the internal structure. You can see the hard low here. So the things, these structures inside these zones, structures here are the internal structures. So this is the main external high and the external low. So the structures inside here are the internal ones. You can see that market shifted its structure to the downside. This is a shift, but failed to hold. The market shifted, but failed to hold from this other block, fell to give something like this, then start going up again. This is inside the zone. And you can see that market is going uptrend. So you need to avoid anything that will make your trade go against the trend. It is uptrend, and we should be looking for buys. So down the market structure, I mean the external highs and the external low. Sorry, the external structure and the external structure should be clear now. So mainly when doing analysis, use bigger time frame to do analysis because doing analysis in bigger time frame give you a clear picture of what is happening in the market. Because here now I'm seeing everything, the structures and all that. that doesn't mean that I have to wait till market get there. I have to scale down again to lower time frame to get a perfect entry. Okay.